Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about one of the application of the M365. It's Teams. So Team is basically is a communication tool where you can communicate with your colleagues. In also you can communicate in a group. You can share the data from your OneDrive and your desktop. Even you can schedule a meeting with your colleague at a particular scheduled time, or you can do it as an instant call and you can do it as a video calls. So we will cover up one by one everything. So in the Teams I have already logged in. I have a M365 account, and just there is a tools available. Once you have applied any of the M365 bundle license, so you will got this application. So in the Teams application, there is a multiple option available in the left panel. So firstly we will discuss about the activity. So activity is basically if somebody is mentioning you in a particular chat or in a group, so which you have already in, so there that will automatically showing you the as a notification over here. If somebody assign a task, it will automatically showing here. If somebody call you and you have missed it, so these are the type of things that you can get it in the activity section. So we have the you have the option to filter out these things. So you can use as an unread option at the rate mention. Even you have the option of the filtering type, that what kind of notification you require. You just type it, you will automatically jumped into the that particular chat. Okay, these are the things that you can use it in the activities sections. And the for second we will discuss about the chat is basically similar as a WhatsApp that you are doing with the one by one chat with your colleagues. So under this chat option, you can communicate with your colleague as one by one, or you can create a group. So firstly we'll discuss about that how we can do it one by one chat. So in the search sections, if I type my colleague name, which is under in this M365 tenant, so I just type Alex Welber. So just click on the Alex Welber, and the Alex Welber I can communicate with the Alex one by one. So in the type of the message, I what I can do, I can just type hi. Oh, okay. Now Elver will automatically notified. Okay, this is the user have communicating with us. They will check the message which what their colleague has shared. So in the over here we have the multiple options available in it. We have the uh, option to create a message with the font changing and the text coloring and selecting content. These are the things that you can use it. Even you can use a link insert in your chat. Even you have the emojis option that you can use it for giving the reaction of the chats, gif, everything that you can use it. Even if you want to share some praises to your colleague in a group, so this is the option that you can choose it. If I'm going to the add option, I got more the options. Like if I want to share the data, schedule a message, attachment, these are the things that you can choose it as per your convenient. So you can use, if I am selecting the attachment option, in the attachment option what I can do, I can attach the document from my devices as well as my the cloud file. So if I am sharing the data from the cloud file, if Alex has changed anything in my this document which is shared by the OneDrive, it will automatically reflect on my OneDrive. So if you want that user will not be able to change your data from your OneDrive, so you can share from the device only. You can download it and you can share it. So even you can apply the permission that they will not be able to edit it. Okay, so these things that you can use it for sharing the document. Like if I'm sharing the document options, like this document, and I type here, hi Alex, please check the document. Please check the attached document. Okay, and I just I want to change the font of this, so I can use a medium, small, large. I can put it as a large. Okay, so it will give you the highlighted. Okay, I just select the marker to highlight the line of my content. Even if you have the a point section that you can use it, I can use enter, underline, italic, bolds, these things that you can easily use it. If you want to insert a link over here, so you just display the text of the link and you just putting the address of the link. Okay, these things that you can use it. If you need to create a plain text as a coding type, so you can use these things, that html, c plus dos. So this will helping you to easy your work with your colleagues. So this is the content I have already shared, and Alex will check and verify, and even he can react on my message. So these things that you can use it. If you want to create a group of with your colleagues, what you can do, you can add in the similar chat, or we have the option in the new chat section. Just I click on the new chat option. Once I click it, it will automatically give you this uh, panel. In this panel I have the drag drop option, so I can click on this option. It will give you the group name. So I just putting the group name is uh, tech team. Okay, I missed something. Tech team. Okay, so I putting this group name as a tech team. I am trying to adding multiple user in it. So I just putting the name of the colleague and just adding in the group. Okay, so I'm just adding Grady, Mirima. So these things that you can use it, and once you have added, and you just type the message hi and enter. Once you have hit the enter, this group will automatically created for your with your member. So you can uh, chat with your group member and share the document related to your project. So there's things that you can do it. If you want that instance meeting for this particular project, or you with the team members, so we have the meet now option. You just click on it, it will automatically generate a call with you. Even you can use the option what which calling option that you required is a video call, audio call. Even you can add the members, like if you need to add another person in that same group, so you just have the option to add a people and just type the name of the member. Just putting the Okay, so I'm putting Anjali here. So Anjali here, I have the multiple option that how level of the how much level of the chat I want to showcase and to Anjali. So do not include the chat history. Include the history with the past number of date. It is a customizable. I can change the date or days. Include all chat history. So I just tried with the include all chat history. They will so Anjali can see the group chat from creation to till now. Okay, so they can he she can read all the content which we have discussed and shared past in the past days. These things that you can use it. Even we have the teams option. Team option is basically used for the project section. So if you are working with the project, so you can create a channel with for example, so you are working with a particular project or tool. So you regarding this tool, you required a you required a sales team, you required a sales team, you required a technical team, you required a delivery team, and then the account team if you want to include in it. So these things that you can create a parent channel, and under the parent channel you can create a your child channel. So if you also you can add the before adding the member in the child channel, you need to add that user in your team, your parent team. So in the under the channel you need to create a you need to create a teams first. So once you have created a team, then you can create a channel. So under the channel that team will automatically aligned, and then you can add the multiple members in a different children child, or we can say the child channel. So this is basically for sharing the document, sharing the content with your uh, colleagues, and if you need to post something like related to your issues, related to the updates, so you can share it. That member of the channel, they will react it and sharing you the solution of your problem is similar as like your sharing a mail with your colleague. So but it's for the channel option, it's similar as a chatting option. You need to add the subject over here, then you need to type the description of the issues or of the update, and then user will automatically notified it via channel. So once they can see, okay, so the Christine Chen already shared us some options with the feedback, and with mentioning something they reacted. Also they can share their thoughts and datas with in the similar chat. So they will automatic they this is very helpful for segregate the chats and reactions. So they will not mix it like a who chat with someone, and if user is replied for particular chat. So bef- in the past teams, you don't get this option to sending as a post. They will work as a as a group. You can chat it so user will not be aware about it. Okay, somebody has replied, but the question, what is the exact question, he shared a solution. So this will help you to simplify the chat via channel based on the teams. So even you can create meetings in a particular child channel or parent channel. It's up to you, that it's up to the customer that what kind of feature they required. Even what you can do, you if you can create a power automation with your SharePoint, you can attach the SharePoint over there. You don't need to go to the SharePoint directly. So you just getting this option over there, you just click on it and you can open your SharePoint. But it's an automation process. You have to create it for with your teams or with your technical partner. Yeah, so we will discuss about the calendar calls and OneDrive in our next video. So how it we can share the data with internally, how we can schedule a calendar, how we can assist the calendar. So these things that we will cover up in the next video. Thanks for the time. Please do subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.